The Honda Rebel 300 continues its legacy. As one of the most approachable cruisers in the world, for 2026 Honda refines the Rebel's minimalistic design, while keeping its signature low-slung silhouette. The blacked-out engine, chunky tires, wide handlebars, and slim peanut-style fuel tank create a timeless, bobber-inspired look that instantly grabs attention. The Rebel 300 sits low with a confidence-boosting seat height, making it ideal for new riders and shorter riders. The riding position is relaxed yet commanding. Whether parked at a cafe or cruising through city traffic, this motorcycle stands out with effortless style. Engine performance smooth, reliable, efficient. At the heart of the 2026 Rebel 300 is a proven 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine. This engine platform is derived from Honda's legendary engineering standards, offering smooth throttle response and reliable performance. The power delivery is predictable and friendly, making it perfect for beginners. Yet it still delivers enough punch for confident overtakes and spirited city rides. The 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly, and the slipper assist clutch reduces lever effort while preventing rear-wheel hop during aggressive downshifts. Technology and features for 2026 Honda focuses on practical technology. The digital LCD display provides clear readouts for speed, fuel level, gear position, and trip data. LED lighting improves visibility at night. While maintaining modern styling, ABS comes standard, giving riders additional braking confidence in emergency situations. Honda's reputation for durability ensures long-term reliability and low maintenance costs. Fuel efficiency remains one of the strongest advantages. Riders can expect impressive mileage, making it ideal for daily commuting and budget-conscious bikers. Design and road presence. Honda keeps the Rebel 300 true to its custom cruiser DNA. The round LED headlight, compact digital instrument display, and minimalist rear fender give the bike a clean, modern aesthetic. The wide tires not only enhance visual appeal, but also provide stable road grip. The blacked-out exhaust system adds an aggressive tone without being overly loud. Every angle of the Rebel looks intentional, sharp, and premium. The bike's compact frame makes maneuvering through traffic easy. For riders in busy cities like Rahim Yar Khan or other growing urban areas, this agility becomes a major advantage. Comfort and ride quality. Comfort is where the Rebel 300 truly shines. The low seat height boosts confidence at stoplights. The mid-mounted foot pegs create a natural riding posture that doesn't strain the back or wrists. The suspension setup balances comfort and control. Telescopic front forks and twin rear shocks absorb everyday road imperfections with ease. Whether riding over uneven city streets or smooth highways, the Rebel feels planted and predictable. The lightweight chassis makes it easy to handle at low speeds. This is especially important for beginners building their riding skills. Who is the 2026 Rebel 304? The 2026 Rebel 300 is perfect for new riders entering the motorcycle world, urban commuters seeking fuel efficiency, riders wanting a lightweight cruiser, custom enthusiasts who love modifying bikes. Its simple platform makes it an excellent base for customization. From exhaust upgrades to handlebar changes, the Rebel can easily be transformed into a personal statement machine. Final verdict: small bike, big impact. The Honda continues to prove that entry level doesn't mean entry quality. The 2026 Honda Rebel 300 delivers strong styling, beginner-friendly performance, and everyday practicality in one clean package. It's not about top speed or massive horsepower. It's about freedom, confidence, and the joy of riding. In the lightweight cruiser segment, the Rebel 300 remains one of the top choices in the world. If you're looking for a motorcycle that blends simplicity, style, and reliability, the 2026 Honda Rebel 300 might just be the perfect ride to start your journey.